A new national Should Be Made in America campaign by the nonprofit, nonpartisan Alliance for American Manufacturing unveiled 2 billboards near the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge, a massive construction project that was outsourced to China at the cost of thousands of American manufacturing jobs. Scott Paul, the executive director of the Alliance, made the announcement at an event overlooking the bridge's construction.
Very quickly, here's what we hope to accomplish. We want to see legislation passed at the federal level to tighten Buy America requirements, state legislation. And this in particular is, I think, of interest to California. The last element of this campaign is to put direct pressure on public officials and decision makers on infrastructure to buy American and to believe in American workers, to believe in American businesses, that we can rebuild our country, and we can do that from the United States of America.
The Bay Bridge would have created thousands of American jobs if it hadn't been outsourced to China. Local labor leaders, community officials, and business groups agree that outsourcing the construction undermined the rebuilding of the economy.
The Bay Bridge is a total embarrassment to the American worker.
Can you tell me that the fact that we save money outsourcing this work offsets the cost of high unemployment here in this district?
3.5 million man-hours. That's what you lost here because that bridge went to China.
California officials awarded the Bay Bridge project to a state-owned Chinese firm to allegedly save taxpayer money. The Alliance for American Manufacturing, along with groups like the National Steel Bridge Alliance, have made it clear that U.S. manufacturers and their workers stood ready to build the bridge.
If your taxpayer dollars are going to be used for anything, you should have a say in it, and it should be used for products here first.
Scott Paul said that at a time when unemployment is still over 8%, America cannot afford to ship more manufacturing jobs to China at taxpayer expense.
This is the first part of this campaign. We expect it to go many months, and we will say to public officials, if you're willing to outsource the production of bridges or transit or high-speed rail overseas, we will be willing to put a billboard in your neighborhood to remind your voters and your taxpayers exactly what you did.
Visit the campaign website at www.shouldbemadeinamerica.com.